2026 marks a milestone for Marcor. 40 years of delivering performance, quality, and innovation to the automotive aftermarket. For 4 decades, we've partnered with the world's top manufacturers, connecting shops and enthusiasts across Canada with the parts they trust. Now, to celebrate our 40th anniversary, we're shining a spotlight on the brands that have helped define Marcor and performance legacy we've built together. Join us as we explore the stories, innovations, and products that have made these partnerships legendary.
Welcome back to Marcor Automotive. My name's Evan and I'm here to present CTEK. Quick background on the company in case you're not familiar with CTEK. Our story starts over 25 years ago in a small village in Sweden where our founder created the first ever battery charger to use electronic pulse technology. Fast forward to today, we're the global leader in supplying battery chargers in more than 70 different countries around the world. We're proud to work with over 50 of the most prestigious vehicle manufacturers in the world, including Lamborghini, Ferrari, Porsche, GM, to name a few. These brands have chosen CTEK to supply branded chargers to their own customers. We offer a wide variety of battery chargers for anything from power sports, automotive, and even agriculture. It's important to charge regularly, especially here in Canada with our climate. We found that charging your battery even just once a month can prolong the life of that battery by 3 times. Let's jump into our products, starting with our 0.8. So this here is our entry-level product. Works on anything 12 volt that is AGM or lead acid. Nice thing about this, even though it's our entry-level piece, does come with clamps as well as eyelets in the package. Nice thing about that, you can hard mount these clamps, let's say at a hard to reach battery on a motorcycle or a Skidoo. That way it's always there when you need it. Then it gives you the ability to use the clamps that are included in these packages as well on another vehicle such as your car. Moving on to our MXS 5.0. So this is a 4.3 amp charger. The nice thing about the 5.0, it does have a small battery mode. So if you've got, again, a motorcycle, a Skidoo, a sled, whatever it might be, it's got a small battery, simply put the MXS 5.0 on the small battery mode. You can charge a smaller battery at a smaller amperage. It also offers a 4.3 amp charger in this package as well that you can use in your car, your truck, etc. Backed by a 5-year warranty, again includes clamps and eyelets in the package. Next up is our Polar. So this is another 4.3 amp charger, virtually our 5.0 on steroids, as it does feature rubberized cables. The charger itself is rated to -30. The rubber cables stay flexible even at that -30 temperature. Beside that is our 7002. So this is a 7 amp charger, also features a power supply mode. Popular with guys that are at home flashing vehicles or even at a dealership level when you need to program keys. Simply put the 7002 on power supply mode. It will ensure your battery doesn't die during a flash. This here is our CS Free. So this charger here will allow you to use what we call adaptive boost. If you've got a dead battery, simply take the clamps that are included in the package, press and hold the power button on the CS Free. It will then adaptive boost that battery. You can take that dead battery up to starting capabilities within 15 minutes. You can also plug it into the wall, just like the other chargers we see here today, and use it as a traditional CTEK smart charger. Moving on to our NXT5. So this is a product that we unveiled last year at SEMA 2025. The NXT5 takes what we've put into our MXS 5.0 and offers the ability to charge lithium as well. So just like the MXS 5, the NXT5 is also a 4.3 amp charger with a small battery mode, but also has lithium capabilities. And last up is our CS1 today. So this is a new product we unveiled at SEMA 2025. The nice thing about the CS1 offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. So iPhone or Android, simply download the app. You can monitor the state of charge of that battery anywhere in the world. With the built-in Apto technology, you'll see here on the actual charger itself, there is no mode button. You simply put the clamps on your vehicle, plug the charger in, you can walk away. It's going to determine with Apto technology what kind of battery it is, the chemistry, whether it be lead acid, AGM, or lithium, all on its own. It will charge accordingly. That being said, we invite you to learn more on our website, ctek.com. Otherwise, for a large Canadian inventory of all the products you see here today, please reach out to our friends at Marcor Automotive.